Have you ever wanted to create a custom movie poster for yourself or to post on social media? Well, now you can do this with Leonardo AI. In this video, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to create amazing movie posters with a very simple prompt format using Leonardo AI. First, you need to go to the website and log in. Then you click on the image creation button. Once you're there, it's time for the setup. Make sure you're using the classic mode. Then go to the model option and pick Phoenix 1.0. Head over to the prompt enhancement option and turn it on. As for the style, you can leave it in dynamic. It works pretty well for me. The last setting is to click on the image dimension, then select 4:5, which is a good aspect ratio for posters. So now let's move on to the important part, which is writing the prompt. The prompt has a very simple structure. You should start with the type of poster. In this case, I'll be creating a Pixar poster. Then you describe your character, add the title, and some other description of what you want. Remember that it doesn't have to be complex, just like the way I've written my prompt here. Once you're done, it's time to create the image. Just look at these amazing results. This new model understands how to create text and images perfectly. Just look at this, the text is amazing. And I also love the consistency of the images. It got the style, character, and the overall vibe right. Now let's try another fun experiment. This time, I'm going to use the same prompt format. I'm going to add more details, but I won't add a title. Let's see what the AI creates. And here are the results. Amazing, right? I didn't even add a title to the poster, but it gave me options because it knows that there's supposed to be text on the poster, so it added it. Just look at the details. I really like this particular one. The bleeding text effect looks so cool. So now you know this AI can create movie posters, but can it add celebrities? Let's put it to the test. I'm gonna write a prompt in the same format and no title. These images came out so good for such a simple prompt. The AI did not create the celebrities I asked for. It created something similar instead, but this is still a good design. So, there you have it. A simple and fun way to create movie posters with Leonardo AI. If you like videos like this that explore the use of AI in everyday life, please like and subscribe to my channel. You can share this with others who might find it interesting too. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.